Hey, it's Ryan Jennings. One of the common themes we keep hearing on all of our cars and videos that we've posted so far is they really love to be able to hear the cars. So here, we're going to do a quick video just so you can hear what exactly goes into a Hemi Superbird.
This is the famous Tim Richards Superstock E Automatic NHRA National Champion at the Summer Nationals in 1970. 1970, this car was sold to Carl Gould Chrysler Plymouth. Paul Messmer was the owner of the car, and he had Tim Richards the driver. If that name is familiar with you, Tim Richards became top fuel chief and won a number of NHRA titles. This is an original Hemi Superbird with 1,500 miles. It is also the only Superbird to win a national drag racing title. As I said, the 1970 NHRA Summer National Superstock E Automatic. There are some other Superbirds that race that are more famous, most famous being Jack Worth's 5 and 50. There's also a Sox and Martin Superbird, but this is the only one that actually won. Now, this is not the paint job that we had in 1970, or that they had. I did not own the car there. It was repainted twice. It was repainted, it's originally a B5 blue color. It was then repainted and then repainted in about 1974 into this psychedelic purple that you saw in the video. I have chosen to leave it unchanged as a time capsule of a 50-year-old paint job. And in the next edition of our video on the psychedelic Superbird, I'll give you the history of the car. We'll give you an engine shot, an interior shot. It's hard to believe. 1,500.2 original miles, 1/4 mile at a time, and it's still a beautiful vehicle today. As you can see, we are sitting on exactly 1,500.2 miles on a 50-plus-year-old Hemi Superbird that has rarely, if ever, been driven on the street.